Hello everyone, this is Ada C. I am back at this hotel at my favorite villa. Can you believe where I am? I'm in Seminyak and I'm at this Amadea resort and villas, and I'm at one of the lovely two-bedroom villa here, and it is in the middle of Seminyak. And can you imagine how big the pool is, with the food facilities and everything? So it's the second time that I stay here, and I think I got the same villa as last time, but it's really good value for money if you come in with the family, of 4 to 6 to enjoy the villa in the middle of Seminyak. So I'm going to give you another room tour as usual, my first take room tour. So I just check in earlier and leave my luggage inside and then go out. Okay, so very quickly, this is the villa area. So they have 7 villa here. And again, as I say, look at the size of the pool. 1.3 meter in depth. And this is my pool. Okay, so I choose to stay at this bedroom. And similar to last time, I got a king-size bed, good thick mattress, linen. It is a 4-star property, but the villa itself is really good maintained and really comfortable and good value for money, as I mentioned. And they have the bathtub here, the basin, plus the rain shower. And this is the amenity. And I guess I can walk out from here to the swimming pool. Yeah. So actually I can enjoy the swim, and then I do not need to go through my bedroom and can just come in to take the shower from this door. But I'm going to close it for now. Okay. So here you go. I'm trying to find the hair dryer, which should be somewhere. Okay, so this is the wardrobe. Let's take a look. Okay, the safe deposit box is here. Oh, actually the hair dryer is here. So it's perfect. And then the bathrobe is here. And the slipper is here. And then also with the laundry bag and such. Okay, so I can open the curtain. And this is the view that I will be waking up to tomorrow morning. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, let me go over to the other side, which is the main living room and dining room and such. Yeah, getting spoiled here. Okay, so this is the living room. And this is the dining room. With a note from the general manager, which is very nice. And the fruit, welcome fruit. I love the fresh flowers. And then a full kitchenette. So they have the stove, they have the microwave oven, and let's see what they have. They have the whole fridge. Okay, so some more water in the fridge, and then the toaster oven, the cutlery, the bowls and everything. Okay, so let me go up to the second floor to show you the additional bedroom. If you are coming with a lot of friends and families and to fully enjoy the 2-bedroom villa. Okay. So on the second floor, actually there's a additional living room area. Okay, and this is the bedroom. In fact, it's on the second floor. And let me check out the bathroom. Okay, so they have additional bathrobe, hair dryer, safe deposit box, double sink. Oh wow, look at this. They have another nice bathtub and the rain shower here. That's really great. Okay, so that is pretty much the room tour of the 2-bedroom villa at Amadea Resort. So you can see this is the view from the second floor looking down to the pool. And this is the lush environment with a lot of privacy, even you're in the middle of Seminyak. So I'm going to have a night here and to enjoy the villa, and I am going to walk around and show you how close it is to other Seminyak main attractions. This is the reason why I come back and stay here. So follow me. We'll have breakfast here tomorrow morning. Already have lunch, so you will see my full experience here.